Right now, a dangerous weather story is unfolding across the country. Two very different threats are developing at the very same time. One is already here, and it is deadly serious. The other is still forming, and forecasters are watching it closely. Let us start with what is confirmed on the ground across the Texas Hill Country. Catastrophic flash flooding continues for a third straight day. Torrential rain has hammered the region. The National Weather Service has issued rare flash flood emergencies. That warning is reserved for the most life-threatening situations. Communities like Kerrville Hunt and Uvalde have been hit hard. The Guadalupe River rose about 10 feet in a single hour. At one gauge, it crested near 37 feet early Thursday. Roads vanished, homes flooded, and water rescues spread across the area. Officials have confirmed at least 2 deaths. So far, sadly, this is the same region. Struck just 1 year ago, last July, flooding here killed more than 130 people. That history is exactly why every warning now carries such weight. The steep, rocky terrain here funnels water fast into narrow rivers. The ground is saturated, so even light rain runs off. Instantly, forecasters say more rain is possible before the threat shifts west. If you are anywhere in this area, please hear this. Clearly, never drive through a flooded road, no matter how shallow it looks. Move to higher ground and follow local emergency instructions. Now to the second story, the one that is still developing. Forecasters are tracking a broader severe setup for the weekend. The main focus is Saturday from the Ohio Valley. Eastward, a cold front will push into warm, moisture-rich summer air. Tropical humidity is surging unusually far north for this time of year. That fuel could power strong storms across the mid-Atlantic. The Weather Prediction Center has flagged a heavy rain risk there. Moisture levels Saturday could reach the top of the seasonal ranges. That means localized flash flooding is possible. From Pennsylvania eastward, the Storm Prediction Center is watching for damaging winds too. If storms organize gusts near 70 miles per hour are possible, winds like that can bring down trees and knock out power. Large hail and a few isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. But here is where honesty matters. Far more than hype. This weekend, threat is a forecast, not a certainty. And there are real reasons it could still underperform them. Forecasters are watching 2 factors that could limit these storms. First, early morning storms could use up the day's energy. If thick clouds linger, the afternoon may never fully recover. Second, wildfire. Smoke is drifting down from Canada again. A dense smoke layer can cool the surface in cap storms, so the same setup could go big or stay fairly modest. That kind of uncertainty is completely normal for summer patterns. The details often become clear only a day beforehand. That is exactly why forecasters avoid promising a specific outcome. What we can say is that the ingredients are coming together, and a wide stretch of the country should simply stay alert, looking further ahead. This threat does not simply vanish Saturday night. By Sunday, the front sags south toward the Carolinas. Scattered strong storms are possible there into the new week. Meanwhile, a long, punishing heat dome is finally starting to break. Some relief is arriving for the northern plains this weekend. But dangerous heat will linger across the south and southeast, and that Canadian smoke may lower air quality in some spots. If you have breathing issues, watch your local air quality reports. So what should you take away from all of this? In Texas, treat every flood warning as life-threatening right now across the Ohio Valley and Northeast. Keep Saturday on your radar, have a reliable way to get warnings. Even while you sleep, a weather radio or phone alerts can truly make the difference. Know in advance where you will go. If a warning comes, none of this is meant to frighten you in any way. It is meant to help you prepare with clear eyes. For official warnings, always rely on the National Weather Service and follow your local emergency management for any real decisions. Something big truly is developing across the country this weekend. Stay aware, stay ready, and keep watching the sky.